How to download Adobe Reader on Windows. Hello everyone. Need a reliable PDF reader? Let's download and install Adobe Reader on your Windows computer. Launch your preferred web browser, for example Chrome or Firefox or Edge. In the address bar, type in get.adobe.com/reader and press enter. This will take you to the official Adobe Reader download page. The page should automatically detect your operating system, but if it doesn't, ensure Windows is selected. Click on the Download Adobe Reader button, and this will start downloading the installer file to your computer. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your browser's download bar or your Downloads folder. Follow the on-screen prompts in the Adobe Reader installer and click Yes or Next as required, and agree to the terms and conditions. After the installation process is complete, click Finish, and Adobe Reader will now be installed on your computer. Find Adobe Reader in your Start menu or desktop and open it to start reading PDF files. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Reader on your Windows computer. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips, and happy reading.